the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, I'm going to show you today how to boost your Substack. So guys, those who don't know what Substack is a newsletter application website, and you can send blogs or videos, anything, even tweets to other people, and you will build an email list. The best thing about Substack is that it's totally 100% free of cost. In fact, you can also monetize your Substack newsletter with the 10% going to Substack themselves. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually boost your Substack. As you can see, yesterday on the 24th I got 27 visits. Mostly came from Twitter. 4 came from Twitter, but 46 were direct. So the secret behind this traffic boost is that I posted on r/Substack and self-promoted myself over there. Look at the way I posted. I created this newsletter to promote my YouTube videos and Medium stories. If you are interested in informative how-to earnings on different platforms, reports, videos, and also like Medium stories regarding multiple topics like AI, Bitcoin Cash, health and wellness, and social issues, then click this out. So guys, I did this and I got a boost. And my friend Hungry Minded, he got 60 subscribers on Substack by posting on artificial intelligence. Now the good thing about Hungry Minded is that he is talking about artificial intelligence, and he made a beautiful post. Look at this, a beautiful post promoting some AI tools like Midjourney and stuff like that. So he got 60 subscribers on one post only via Reddit. So you can replicate this strategy, my friends, and this will boost your Substack views and subscribers. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. The links are in the description box. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell notification bar. Thanks for watching.